It's Tuesday evening. You've been staring at the same blank document for 2 hours, trying to come up with a script for your next YouTube video. The pressure to constantly produce high-quality content is mounting, and you're starting to feel overwhelmed. You've heard of AI tools that can help with content creation, but with thousands of options available, it's difficult to choose the right one. Welcome to another Klug video. Today, we're going to explore the best AI tools for 2026 that can help you save time and increase productivity. With so many options available, it can be difficult to choose the right tool, but don't worry, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools to use to streamline your workflow and take your productivity to the next level. We've researched and tested numerous AI tools to bring you the most comprehensive and accurate information, so you can trust that you're getting the best advice. Section 1. The problem. Nobody admits you're not alone in feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI tools available. With tens of thousands of options, it's easy to get caught up in analysis paralysis. The truth is, most people are struggling to find the right AI tool for their needs, and it's costing them valuable time and resources. According to DataCamp, tens of thousands of AI tools are available, with many offering free tiers. But this abundance of choice is actually a hindrance to productivity. You need a clear and concise guide to help you navigate the world of AI tools and find the ones that will actually make a difference in your workflow. That's why we've put together this list of the top 10 AI tools for 2026, so you can cut through the noise and focus on what really matters. From video generation to audio generation, we'll cover the best AI tools for each task, so you can start streamlining your workflow and achieving your goals. Section 2. The discovery. So, how do you find the right AI tool for your needs? The first step is to identify the specific tasks you want to automate or streamline. For video generation, tools like InVideo AI and Runway offer advanced features like 15-second avatar training and 4K output. For audio generation, ElevenLabs is a great option, offering high-quality audio with advanced features like multi-language lip sync. When evaluating AI tools, consider the cost-benefit analysis and calculate the time saved versus the cost of the tool. It's also important to explore the free tiers and subscriptions offered by each tool to find the best fit for your needs. By taking a systematic approach to evaluating AI tools, you can find the ones that will have the greatest impact on your productivity. Section 3. The shift. Once you've identified the right AI tools for your needs, it's time to start implementing them in your workflow. This may involve setting up new software, training new models, or integrating existing tools with new ones. The key is to start small and focus on one task at a time, so you can test and refine your approach before scaling up. It's also important to monitor your progress and adjust your approach as needed, so you can ensure you're getting the most out of your AI tools. By taking a gradual and iterative approach to implementing AI tools, you can minimize disruption to your workflow and maximize the benefits. Remember, the goal is to streamline your workflow and increase productivity, not to add more complexity or overhead. Section 4. The solution. So, what are the top 10 AI tools for 2026 that can help you save time and increase productivity? Based on our research, the top tools include InVideo AI, ElevenLabs, Runway, and Victor, among others. These tools offer advanced features like video generation, audio generation, and AI-powered hiring, and can help you streamline your workflow and achieve your goals. By implementing these tools in your workflow, you can save time, increase productivity, and take your business to the next level. Remember, the key is to find the right tool for the task and to start small, so you can test and refine your approach before scaling up. With the right AI tools and a systematic approach to implementation, you can achieve your goals and stay ahead of the competition. Section 5. The action plan. Now that you've learned about the top 10 AI tools for 2026, it's time to create an action plan to implement them in your workflow. Start by identifying the specific tasks you want to automate or streamline, and then research the best AI tools for each task. Once you've identified the right tools, start small and focus on one task at a time, so you can test and refine your approach before scaling up. Remember to monitor your progress and adjust your approach as needed, so you can ensure you're getting the most out of your AI tools. By taking a systematic and iterative approach to implementing AI tools, you can minimize disruption to your workflow and maximize the benefits. Don't forget to explore the free tiers and subscriptions offered by each tool to find the best fit for your needs. The before state you started in, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI tools available. The key shift that changed everything, finding the right AI tools for your needs. The after state you can reach, streamlining your workflow and increasing productivity with the right AI tools. By implementing the right AI tools in your workflow, you can save time, increase productivity, and take your business to the next level. So start your journey today and discover the power of AI for yourself. If this saved you time or gave you an edge, subscribe to Klug. We post AI productivity content every week. Hit the like button if you learned something valuable today. What's your favorite AI tool, and how has it helped you streamline your workflow?